Even after earning a B.Tech, I spent nearly a decade feeling like life had left me behind, with no stable job, no direction, and no clarity. It was only when I hit the rock bottom during the pandemic that I knew something had to change. With support from my family and push from within, I enrolled in Simplilearn's data analyst course. After completing this course, I not only strengthened my technical skills, but also I got the salary hike. I started as someone who knew nothing about SQL, Python or dashboards, and now I confidently connect the data across the tools and tell stories with the numbers. I didn't just earn certificates, I rebuilt my confidence and reclaimed my career. Hi, my name is Chandrasekhar and this is my journey. I live in Hyderabad, India. I have completed my B.Tech in Electronics and Communications in 2011. From then onwards, I was preparing for the government examinations. But in 2016, I started working as a freelancer in the networking domain. And after that, I got the opportunity to work in Andhra Pradesh Mineral Development Corporation as an IT manager. And from 2023 onwards, I have been working in Moritech Pvt. Actually, I was a failure. I didn't have any proper job. I didn't know any means of earnings. Nothing was there at that time. My job was not a stable one and I was just working as a freelancer. But when the corona happened, I was completely kept aside. I didn't do anything for almost 8 to 10 months. I was completely dependent on my parents for my day-to-day works. But then I was feeling like, okay, being 28 years of age, I was nothing. I was unable to do anything. I was searching for some proper channel to get into the field. When I was in Andhra Pradesh Mineral Development Corporation as an IT manager, I was given these responsibilities to handle all the IT related infrastructures. I was thinking like, okay, I should be given the priorities when something related to the ITs, and I would be given platform to explore or to debate with the secretaries of the government and all. My objective was to strengthen my technical capabilities, especially in SQL and Excel and in other data representation tools. First of all, when I enrolled to this course, I was completely a blank. I knew nothing about Excel or SQL or Python or any other data representation tools. While I was attending, I came to know how we are going to generate the dashboards with the different data tools like Excel or in SQL or with the Python or with Power BI or whatever the tools that I was taught. My family was very supportive. Even Simplilearn also has given me some fee concession and that helped me a lot. I read books a lot, mostly spiritual related. I find some time in between my schedules and I used to travel. I used to watch movies. I used to go and hang out with the friends. I feel much more confident now. I used to think getting certification was enough, but now I realize how we are going to deal with the skills that you know. This hands-on experience made me feel more confident and competent. Along with the tutors from the Simplilearn, I took the help of my friends in dealing with the Python, and that helped me a lot. And now I conquered that Python also. I believe in choosing one domain and excelling in it rather than learning many other skills. Companies will anyhow evaluate you based on your capabilities, not on the certificates. No one will fail ever. You just keep trying on. Because I feel only failure is if you don't try.